Yep.
Whoa.
Hey, good morning from beautiful Southern Nevada. Hey, today my son and I, we're going to shoot this Citadel 12 gauge semi-automatic shotgun. You know what? I just picked this up for 300 bucks. So I'm anxious to put some rounds through it, see how it's going to shoot. And so let's just look at it while I'm talking. Citadel. Now the barrel length on this is 20 inches. It does take, or actually it comes with 3 extended chokes on it, full, modified, and improved cylinder. Right now I have the improved cylinder choke in here. It does have a Warthog right here. You'll see online that a lot of guys call this the Warthog model. Well, actually, I went to the Citadel website. This is actually the Bosshog model, not the Warthog. But it is pretty cool. Synthetic stock, weighs 7 pounds. You know what? I think I covered about everything, guys. We're gonna shut up, break this in. I'm gonna break it in with some heavy loads, and then I'll shoot some light target loads. But we're gonna shoot slugs, buckshot, magnum buckshot, and then we'll shoot some light target loads and see what happens. But time to shut up and do some shooting. All right, I'm going to break this in, shooting some heavy filled 4-shot high brass, and I'll shoot 5 rounds, see what happens, and then I'll get my son down here, start shooting some buckshot. All right, I think this is number 5 right here. And I do have earplugs in, by the way. All right, shot those okay. Let's shoot something else. Okay, I got a target set up at 15 yards. My son's gonna fire a buckshot with 9 pellets in it. And then he's immediately gonna fire two rounds of 4-shot to check the cycling. So after he shoots, we'll go down and see how many pellets are actually on target at 15 yards. Again, 9 pellets, buckshot, 2 3/4 inch. Go ahead, son.
All right, so it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 right there.
All right, peppered that pretty good.
Yep. All right, so I'm gonna fire 2 heavy 6-shot loads and then 1 slug. All right, we're gonna try out some 3-inch Magnum buckshot. Maybe not. Okay. All right, we're gonna try out some 3-inch Magnum buckshot. All right, try out some 3-inch Magnum buckshot. It doesn't want to feed.
Doesn't want to feed, okay. There.
Okay, I hit that. And it.
Go ahead and just unload it.
Yeah, so it
Yes.
didn't feed, then I hit the button in it.
See if that next one, go ahead and put that one in your pocket, see if that next one will feed. Nope. Yeah, so there's a round in the magazine, but it's not going to feed onto the carrier. That carrier feels like it might be sticking. Go ahead and pull the charging handle back. Try one more time pulling that button. Nope. Alright, I'm going to take a look at it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Goodbye, Napa. GoPro, stop recording.
Okay, we ran into a problem trying to load this. Now let me show you how you're supposed to load this. I can drop a round in here and close the bolt, or I can put them in the magazine, which is, I'm going to take one round here, put it in the magazine, and now when I hit this little guy right here, he's supposed to pop in here, just like that, and now I can chamber around. The problem is, it's not doing that every time. Let's see if we can get it to screw up. Okay, that worked. You know, now that I have the camera on, it's gonna work, but let's try it again. Put my round in. All right, you know what? Keep that camera going. I'm gonna put it in 2 rounds, see what happens. Yeah, we were getting kind of frustrated there for a minute. All right, let's see here. There we go. See, now it popped in. All right, we're gonna get back to shooting, and if we run into that problem again, hopefully we'll have it on camera. Okay. All right, I'm gonna shoot a mix of 4 different rounds. My first shot is gonna be a standard buckshot, and then a slug, and then a 3-inch buckshot, and then my last round will be a 4-shot. Here we go again. It just does not want to feed. Now I can push this button and wow. Okay, it just went in. I'm going to go ahead and shoot these rounds since I got one chambered, but we are having a problem, a feeding problem with this. So again, a buckshot, a slug, 3-inch buckshot, and a 4-shot. Uh-oh. My last round did not feed after that Magnum. Yeah, so we're going to put some more rounds through this and see if we can get it broke into where it's not going to malfunction. But right now, man, we're just having a heck of a time with it. All right, you know what? We're going to shoot some 7.5 shot. This is a heavy target load. I'm going to try shooting 5 rounds and see what happens. Again, those shot okay. You know what? I'm going to take this home, pull out the trigger guard assembly, and see if I can find out why these rounds are hanging up. I mean, it's shooting okay, but getting that first round into the carrier here, or onto the carrier, just is not working, and it seems to be getting worse also. So I'm already out here. Let's shoot up or set up a few more targets and put a few more rounds through this. You know, I'll tell you, it's really frustrating it's not feeding correctly, because I've seen a lot of good reviews on this shotgun. I've got shotguns that were made in Turkey, and man, just excellent shotguns. So very surprised and very disappointed. So we're going to continue to shoot and see what happens. You can do it.
What the hell?
Well, that magazine really sucks, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Yep.
All right. All right, this is really getting frustrating, guys. I'm going to have to give this thing a big no right now. Let me show you something. If I take one round, put it in the magazine, hit my release. Pop! It just popped in. See that? Let's try that again. One round. Put it in. That's what it's supposed to do. Pop in, and then it comes up and it gets chambered. Okay? Now, if I put in more than one round, okay, there's 3 rounds. See, it's not pop. You know what? I think it's slowly breaking in, but it is getting very aggravating. Yep. Anyways, guys, like I said, I'm going to take this home. Now, again, this is brand spanking new. The only thing I've done to this is, before I brought it out here, I did take it apart. I cleaned off all the factory lubricant. I re-oiled everything, so it should be working, but it's not. I'm going to go home and take it apart, clean it real good, oil it, and maybe I'll get it back out here and do another video. But right now, my son and I think we're kind of tired of shooting this. I tell you what, I love the feel of the shotgun, and when it's shooting, it shoots great. But we do have a problem with it feeding, so I'll do a future video. But right now, we're going to hang it up, pick up our trash, and head on home. You damn warthog.